Hello everyone, welcome to wonderful physics class. Today we are going to study the chapter electricity, which is a 10th standard physics chapter. The part 1 is already covered in this video. You can see here in Wonderful Physics YouTube channel. This is about 10 to 12 minutes. You can check out the video for first part. Now today we are going to study the factors affecting resistance. Before studying this, let us know what is resistance. Resistance means the opposition offered by a material for a flow of current. You can say it as resistance. So what factors affect this resistance? Let us know that. You can see a material here given of length L and the area A. Now the resistance, if we know that the relation is given, R is directly proportional to L. If you increase the length of the material, its resistance, its opposition, it will also increase. And the second relation is resistance is inversely proportional to area. This means that if you increase the area, means if I increase this area, then the resistance will become less. It will be less. Why? Let me give an example here. Consider this area. Okay. Now a particle is entering to this area. It can freely move, right? Now if I say the area is less and some particle is entering, the opposition it will feel more because only small area it has to travel. Same wise, if length is less, it can travel easily and quicker. If the length is more, it gets more resistance. So we have this relation that R is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to A. By combining these two relations, we get R is directly proportional to L by A. On equating it, you will get this equation. It is the equation to find resistance of any material. So this is the formula, you have to keep it, remember. Okay, let's see next. Here we have a problem, let us solve it. How much current will be drawn from 220 volt source if resistance of the bulb is 1200? How much will be the heater of coil drawn from 220 volts if the resistance of heater coil is 100 ohm? Let us solve the first one. It is given V is equals to, first you must always solve the question by writing the given data. Okay, and R is given 1200. Here majority of our questions will be solved with the one formula that is given by Ohm's law. We know that V is equals to I into R. This is very important formula. We are going to use this in majority cases to solve the questions. By this I can write it as I is equals to, okay, let me send this R here, V by R. Substitute the given terms. And you will get the answer. I is equals to 0.18 ampere. 0.18 ampere of current you will get. So first part of the question is solved. In second part, what they are asking, they are changing the resistance of the coil. They are making it 100. Okay, same formula but substitute 100 in the place of R, you will get the answer. You can see here. That is, here you got 0.18. Substituting 100 in place of 1200, you will get 22 ampere. Okay, let's see next. We have another question here. it is given the potential difference between the terminals is 60 volt and 4 ampere of current is drawn from it. Okay, what current will be here? Heater drop the potential difference increase to 120 volt. Okay, so let us write first what is given. V is given, it is 60 volts. Okay, I is given, it is 4 ampere. What we don't know? We don't know the resistance. Use the Ohm's law. Yes, by changing the Ohm's law only you can get this. So we get V by I. Substitute the terms given, you'll get it as 15 ohm. Okay, what in the second part it is asked to find the current if the volt is okay. Let me write a V dash to be 120 volts. Now I have to calculate I. I have the formula I is equals to V into R, V by R, right? I is equals to V by R. Now substitute 120 by 15. Okay, I will get the I, it is equal to 8 amperes. 8 amperes. So it is solved here. You can see the solution here, 8 amperes. Yeah, okay, 15 ohm. Let's see next. Resistance of system of resistors. If resistors are more than one, they are connected in some pattern, then how to calculate it? It is given here. The formulas are given here. Let's see it in detail. Here you have in series. So you can see here how they are arranged in series. Yes. So if the resistors are arranged in series, you can write R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 R plus R3. You will get the solution. In this condition, here you have to note one important identity, that is by using Ohm's law you can convert this equation as V. V means potential difference in series will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and in this case I will be same in all resistors, means current through all the resistors is same. Okay, it is clear. Let's see next. Here we have parallel. You can see the arrangement of parallel here, right? And the formula to calculate is 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and so on. So here V is same in all the three resistors. This means the potential difference here is same but not I. You must able to differentiate between resistors arranged in series and resistors arranged in parallel. Okay, let's see next. Here we have some problems. I have skipped it because if I include that, video will go too lengthy. So let me have the problems in next session. Let me cover the theories in this session. Okay, here we have the heating effect of current. What this heating effect of current mean? When current flows through the conductor, heat energy will be generated. Means in a conductor you can see when current is flowing, a heat energy will be generated surround it. Okay, so how to calculate? The formula is H is equals to V into I into T. It is the formula to calculate the heat produced when a current is moving in a conductor. And the appliances are given here, daily use we will see that such as electric fuse, electric bulb, iron and room heaters are the examples. Okay, we have reached to the last part. It is electric power. What is electric power? The rate at which electric energy is dissipated or consumed. the rate at which electric energy is dissipated, gone out or consumed, taken in is called electric power. How to calculate it? It is given by P is equals to V into I. By using again Ohm's law, we can change it as equal to IR square and V many. You can change it to many number of terms. So let us study this only. So P is equals to V into I, important formula. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And next we are going to continue with electricity problems. Okay, thank you.